Okay, here's the last thing that we're gonna do for training meeting. There's just two more parts. So I have this video of his name is Jay Hunt. That's the TRC actor's name. We're going to watch just 5 minutes of his visit with some missionaries. I don't know who these missionaries are. And I want you to answer these two questions and to send me the response, your response to these two questions via Slack. So the first is, what is the one thing the missionaries did well? Or what is one thing, not the one thing. And what is one thing you could do if you were in the room with the missionaries to course correct them? How would you help them? So like I said, we'll only watch, about 5 minutes, and then you can answer those two questions. And again, you're going to send me those via Slack.
Rooms. Yeah, they just told me.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
We looked in there. That's not Jay. Where is Jay? That was weird. We were scared. We were like, is it the wrong time?
Or we didn't confirm or weren't clear or something.
So, like a little heart attack. Good. Do you like rain?
I prefer it to snow.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because you're from Australia and you never see snow.
Pretty much.
But see, I'm from Utah and I'm like, I hate snow. Like, I just want it to be sunny all the time. And rain? This is the worst.
Have you had experience like driving in the snow yet?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you think?
I did it once. It's kind of creepy, to be honest.
Yeah.
Just because you can just feel that you don't have any traction to the road.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of places, they're like, if it snows, even half an inch, it's school's canceled. But here in Utah, it's only canceled if it snows over 3 feet. It's insane. One time I was driving to school and I have to go down this hill and make a sharp right onto this one street. And every time it's always icy. So I slide every single time. So what I have to do is I have to go as close to the curb as I can, slow down before, and then so I turn like this, and then I hit the ice, and I just wait for my car to slide, and then I keep going. It's insane.
Yeah. I'm from Idaho Falls, so we have tons of snow there too. Yeah. And I'm from, I went to school in Rexburg where it's just all hills. So things like that, and it was really scary. Yeah. How's your day been?
Yeah, average, pretty good.
Average?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So are you in school all day and then you come here?
No, so I'm off season right now. So
Really?
So I'm just working.
Wait, where do you work?
I work in. So I do custodial and stuff. I
wow.
saw you guys yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I did custodial at Heritage Halls. I've done at the MTC.
Yeah. So I just work just around, just clean and stuff.
Just cleaning, yeah. That's what I did at Heritage Halls. Wait, where did you see us at?
It was in T3.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I think I just saw you guys walking and stuff.
Oh.
I was like, hey.
We were yeah, wish we would have seen you. Oh, well. Do you mind if we start with prayer? Oh, Stanley, will you up for it?
I'd love to. My dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for the opportunity that we have to meet here with Jay, to be able to talk and to learn. We ask that you please bless him, that he'll be able to learn and to feel the power in our message. And we see these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
I got your email. What was it, probably 5 days ago or something, or 3 days ago. Right. Did you read
The intro?
Yeah. Did it kind of make sense of what it was, the book about?
Yeah, it was context. There's
Yeah.
a lot of context to what I assume it would be about. So,
Okay. And we also, or I at least, I feel I want to apologize because I feel we have been so unclear in our message to you. And so because of this, I feel just I feel we're not on the same page 100% of the time. So we're gonna try something a little bit differently, and we're just really gonna be focusing on one or two things that will So you want to have a relationship with God, right? Or you want to know of God.
Yeah.
That's a better way of saying it, I guess. And would you say that you want help with like, how do you say, like your future marriage with your girlfriend?
Help with my marriage?
Yeah, because aren't you thinking about getting married to what's your name? Starts with an S. Starts with a B. No. What is it? Okay, what is it?
It's Jesse.
I was gonna get to J eventually. Yeah. Aren't you guys thinking about getting married?
I mean, like, we talked about it, yeah.
Oh, you talked about it, but like haven't really said anything with me.
No, we haven't, like, said anything or anything, but, like, I mean, I feel like it would probably go that way. And that's just me being optimistic, maybe, but...
Well, congratulations in advance.
Thanks.
It happens. Okay, well then, we'll scratch that last part, and we'll just focus on knowing of God. How about that?
Absolutely. And we've talked a little bit about how God is our loving Heavenly Father. And that's where we feel maybe we haven't been as clear. Well, maybe it would be better to just ask you. Have you understood what we're saying about that, or have you not quite been understanding? What do you think?
By God is our loving Heavenly Father?
Yes.
I mean, I feel like I understand the implication of what that means.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, you understood the implication.
Okay, so this is the part where, again, you're just going to answer these two questions. What is one thing the missionaries did well? What is one thing that you would do if you were there with the elders to try to help them? And then you can go ahead and just send me that. The only other thing that I have left on this large to-do list, and sorry there's so many tasks, and hopefully you see that some of these things are helpful, is this brief, super brief, there's only 3 questions survey. And this is what it is. What things are going well in our area? What is one thing you wish was different? And list 1 to 3 things that you would love to discuss or practice in training meeting. Now, I turned off, like I'm not collecting email responses or email addresses. I'm not asking for you to include your email. So this is totally anonymous. And I honestly am just seeking for what is going well, what could we do better, and what are you wanting help with. So you could just, if you wouldn't mind just filling this out really quick, it doesn't need to be anything elaborate unless you want it to be, and then just send it to me. I wanted to pay you for doing all these things because there's a lot of them, but I hope that you can see how all these things would be helpful. Thanks for all that you're doing. You're amazing people to work with, and I love coming to work and being with all of you. I'll talk to you later.